There are different types of reasons for the migration of birds from one place to another place. What are they? What are they? क्या observe? To search the food material, to search the food material, for example, if there is no plenty of food material in an area, birds present in that area, they are migrated to other areas for searching the food material. Understanding? To survive, they should travel from one place to another place to search the food material. This is one reason. Next, to escape, to escape from the cold conditions. Observe carefully here. To escape from the cold conditions or hot conditions. This is another important reason. Next, to get the favorable condition or to get the good condition. Next, to lay the eggs, in good habitat. Good habitat. Like this, for different types of, to get the different types of conditions, birds migrate from one place to another place. Understanding? Birds migrate from one place to another place. During the winter season, very cold conditions are present. To escape the cold conditions, birds migrate from one region to another region of the globe for traveling thousands of kilometers. Are you understanding? Observe carefully. This is a migration process. Observe oneself. Next, when we observe the examples for this migration, there are different types of birds. For example, crane, Siberian crane, Siberian crane. These Siberian cranes comes from the Siberia. Siberia. It is present in Russia. It is present in Russia. From the Siberia, Kolleru Lake and Pulicat Lake and Pulicat Lake. Understanding? Kolleru Lake and Pulicat Lake of Andhra Pradesh. Flamingo Festival is conducted every year in Nellore district, Sullurpeta. Okay. Usually the Siberian bird comes from the very long distances to surroundings of the Kolleru and Pulicat lakes of Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh. Okay. Here, usually village people are believed the village people believe the Siberian cranes as as divine one, as divine one. Understanding? Divine one. They believe these type of cranes as divine one. Understanding? You know very well that sometimes we can observe the birds flying during the night time. Birds flying in sky during the night time. They travel during the night also. To which spot they are traveling? Actually, to a particular place they are traveling. Okay. Here observe carefully. Okay, next. Next, a lab activity or project work. Project work. Here, what is the aim of this project work or activity? What is the aim of this project work or activity? Here, to observe the migration of birds. Migration of birds. Okay, now here procedure. Procedure. Important one is, first you have to observe the birds in sky during the morning and evening. You have to observe the birds in sky morning and evening. Morning and evening. Okay, next you have to note down all the birds present in the sky. Present in the sky. Okay, next you have to observe and record the birds, types of birds, you have seen, types of birds you have seen in your record book, in your record book, at least for 6 months. At least for 6 months. Okay, then you have to answer some questions. How many types of birds did you observe in the sky? Next, did you observe any new type of birds in a particular season? Did you observe the birds flying in the sky during the night time also? Did you observe How many types of? How many types of birds did you observe during the 6 months? Next, in which month or in which season did you observe more birds? Okay, like this, you have to answer the different types of questions after this experiment. Here, after this experiment, we can say that different types, number of birds, can be observed. Number of birds can be observed by you. Next, you can observe birds flying during the night also. You can observe birds flying during night time also. During the night also. Next, we can observe new birds in some seasons or in some days. Understanding? Observe carefully. Like this is important project work. To do this project work, you have to do this project work, you require patience and keen observation. Okay, you have to observe you can observe or you can differentiate the types of birds, types of the crane. Okay, and if you need, you can use binocular also. You can use binocular also. Okay, if you need. Like this, by using the different types of instruments, you have to perform this activity to observe the migration of birds. To observe the migration of birds. For example, during one season, okay, observe one. Next, the secret of the secret of migration was unknown for the scientists. The secret of the migration was unknown for the scientists. How? For example, this is an area, this is another area, this is another area. Some birds migrate from these to these. For example, here, very cold conditions are present. If cold conditions are present in this area, to escape from the cold conditions, they travel from this area to another area, to another area by by crossing the millions, by crossing the thousands of kilometers, thousands of kilometers. By crossing the thousands of kilometers, they travel from the unfavorable conditioned area to area having the suitable condition. Okay, for example, here hot conditions are present when compared to this. Okay, next, if again cold conditions, if cold conditions come in this area, then again they travel from this area to the travel from this area to travel from this area to their first area or their original area. Okay, observe carefully here. How can they remember this way of these two way between these two areas? How can they travel? How can they recognize their first habitat or area? Means this secret was unknown yet. Actually, there are some hypotheses, there are some important propositions. Okay, they are not proved yet. They are not proved yet. Here, some scientists are saying that they, some scientists are saying that they remember some symbols. They remember some symbols. For example, high hills, ocean, valleys, large trees, water ecosystem, Like this, these type of symbols, they remember. They remember these type of symbol. By using this type of symbols, they can travel from one place to another place like this in both directions. Are understanding? For example, that if they travel from a place to another place, here they place the nest on the tree. They place the nest on the trees and they reproduce the nestlings and okay, then whenever the nestlings are developed as adult, okay, adult, they migrate from that place to another place along with their small bird or along with their next generation. Understanding? Nowadays, what will happen? Because of the poaching, conversion of lake areas into agriculture areas, into agriculture areas or industrial areas, like this. Here, because of different deforestation, and firewood collection, fish culture, marine culture, okay, like this, because of different types of human activities nowadays, here big plants present around the water ecosystem, they are they are clearing. They are clearing because of the different types of human activities. All the plants present around the water ecosystem, they are cut down. They are cut down. If there are no plants around the water ecosystem, how can these migratory birds or divine birds form their nest on the plants? How can they produce their next generations? How can they live during the night time? Or how can they get this shelter? How can they protect themselves from the other predatory organisms, there are no any alternate methods. Okay, because of lack of these large plants around the water ecosystem, migratory birds, they cannot form the nest on the tree. They cannot reproduce their next generation. Okay, they cannot protect themselves from the predatory animals. In such conditions, these migratory birds are killing by other predatory animals. Understanding? Observe carefully here. They cannot migrate to their original their original habitat or their original areas again. Understanding? They are killing here. Observe carefully here. Different types of cranes. Okay, they are killed by different human activities at these places. They cannot go to their original places. Actually, under normal conditions, they can go to their normal habitat, but because of human activity, they cannot go to their habitat. Understanding? Observe carefully. Next, let us do an activity. What is the aim of this activity? To collect the information on migratory birds, Observe carefully. Here, What is the procedure? What is the procedure of this activity? You know, already we discussed now. Siberian. What? Siberian crane. Flamingo bird. Already we discussed about Flamingo festival. It's very important festival. It is actually in Nellore district. This festival, this type of festival means Flamingo festival means Siberian cranes and other cranes. They come in a particular season during the January, February, that time, Flamingo festival. Flamingo festival is done in those areas where means Nellore district and other some districts. Actually, Nellore district, Sullurpeta, in those areas, Flamingo festivals are celebrated. Flamingo festivals are celebrated. Why means? Why means Siberian cranes and other different types of cranes will come in those areas, will come to those areas to live for some days, to live for some months. Okay, in that time they celebrate this Flamingo festival. Very beautiful. Number of people come to those places. Okay, to see the different types of the birds, to take the photographs of different types of cranes, and to enjoy the beauty of that location. Okay, to observe the nature's beautiful place. Understanding here, Siberian cranes, very important. Already told you they come from the Siberia to Kolleru, Pulicat Lake of India. Siberia, it is located in Russia. From the Russia to India, Andhra Pradesh. Where? Andhra Pradesh. Now in this activity, you have to collect the information. You have to collect the information on the migratory bird. On the migratory birds from books or library or internet. Library or internet. Library or internet, or from the elders. Or from the elders, you have to collect the information. You have to collect the information. Then you have to display the collected information on your notice board or bulletin board. Okay, this is very important one here. There are number of migratory birds. They come from the different countries of the Asia and Europe. Asia and Europe. Why means to escape from the cold or hot conditions and to fulfill the their needs, different types of needs. For example, to escape the food shortage, if there is no food material, they travel from that area to other area where plenty of food material is available. Okay, this is about migration of the birds. Migration of birds.